Altcoin bull market is here, according to renowned analyst Michael van de Poppe and Income Sharks believe now is the perfect time to start stocking up on altcoins. Altcoin prices are starting to surge as venture capitalists are actively promoting them to attract investment. Van de Poppe predicted that most altcoins will follow in Link's footsteps with an upward breakout after notable deviation below the previous price lows. Now is the perfect time to start buying altcoins, according to analytics platform Income Sharks as well as renowned cryptocurrency trader and analyst Michael van de Poppe. According to an X post shared by Van de Poppe yesterday, altcoins are breaking out left and right, which suggests that the bull market is here. The analyst also explained why certain altcoins might currently be experiencing price surges. Van de Poppe believes that the most apparent explanation would be that venture capitalists are actively promoting them to attract investment, unrelated to any shifts in the market conditions. Nonetheless, when prominent cryptocurrencies begin to exhibit momentum, it indicates a tangible shift in the market dynamics. Additionally, the upcoming Bitcoin, BTC halving, which is expected to occur in the next 6 to 10 months, serves as an additional rationale for Van de Poppe's suggestion to accumulate altcoins now. It is, however, important to note that the current period is often assigned to the worst period of the cycle as people lose their faith in the markets and the markets continue to be ultra bad in terms of ROI. People have been bag holding their positions for multiple years and every rally is getting sold off, according to Van de Poppe. The analyst referred to Chainlink, LINK, as a good example of this. On the altcoin's 3D chart, a massive consolidation period can be seen, in which there is not much movement taking place. Investors anticipate a breakout whenever the price approaches resistance levels, and conversely, they expect a decline when it nears the lower range. What is actually occurring is a notable deviation below the previous price lows, followed by an upward breakout, with the current retest holding as a support level. Van de Poppe stated that this is a positive sign for potential further upward movement, and there is a strong likelihood that such a bullish trend may continue. Link price expected to remain stable after massive token unlock. A few hours ago, about 18.75 million Link tokens were unlocked and transferred out by multiple non-circulating wallet addresses. At press time, Link was worth $6.29 after its price was able to climb by more than 2% in the past 24 hours. Technicals suggest that a significant medium-term bullish flag may be triggered on Link's daily chart soon. Earlier today, 18.75 million Chainlink, LINK, tokens were unlocked and transferred out by 4 non-circulating wallet addresses, according to posts shared by on-chain analytics platforms Wu Blockchain and Spot On-Chain. According to both posts, the unlocked Link tokens were worth about $117 million to $119 million. Spot On-Chain also shared that 15.7 million of the unlocked Link tokens, worth $95 million, were deposited to Binance. Afterward, 3.05 million Link remained in the 0xD50F address. It is worth noting that since August 2022, a significant amount of $82.75 million worth of Link tokens has been unlocked, of which $71.8 million worth of Link was subsequently deposited to Binance. Notably, the price of Link has demonstrated stability even in the face of these substantial token unlocks in the past. This seems to be the case again as Link's price managed to climb by more than 2% over the past 24 hours, according to CoinMarketCap. As a result, Link was trading at $6.29 at press time, which was slightly closer to its 24-hour peak of $6.41 than its daily low of $6.11. In conjunction with its price rise, the 24-hour trading volume of Link experienced a 3.26% increase over the past day, bringing it to a total of $130,358,970. Furthermore, Link's recent favorable price movement has propelled its weekly performance into positive territory, taking it to plus 0.73%. From a technical perspective, a significant medium-term bullish flag may be triggered on Link's daily chart soon. At press time, the 20-day EMA line was closing in on the 50-day EMA line. If these two technical indicators cross, it will signal that medium-term momentum has shifted in favor of bulls. If this technical flag is validated, then Link's price may attempt a challenge at the $7.331 threshold in the coming couple of weeks. An early confirmation of this bullish thesis will be if Link's price closes a daily candle above $6.480. However, failure to close a daily candle above this resistance level in the next 72 hours may put the altcoin at risk of falling to the next support level at $5.706. Thereafter, continued sell pressure may result in Link's value dropping to $5. APT may fall to $3.20 after bullish pattern is invalidated. APT's price broke out of a long-term bullish chart pattern over the past few weeks. If the bearish momentum continues, APT's price may drop to the next support level at $3.20. A 4-hour candle close above $5.40 may invalidate the bearish thesis and could lead to APT climbing to $8. The price of Aptos, APT, broke out of a medium-term bullish chart pattern, but not in the way that APT holders had hoped for. Instead of the altcoin's price breaking out towards the upside, it entered into a multi-week-long bearish period, which saw it decline gradually. As a result of the continued price drop over the past few weeks, APT's price is at risk of plummeting to $3.20. APT's price broke out of a bullish falling wedge chart pattern over the past few weeks. It then consolidated for a few days before its price started to gradually decline in the last 2 weeks. As a result, the altcoin's price dropped below the key $5.40 support level, where it continued to trade at press time. Consequently, APT was at risk of revisiting the crucial $3.20 support level. This bearish thesis may be invalidated if APT is able to close a daily candle above the recently breached $5.40 mark. Thereafter, continued buy support may ignite a move that could elevate the cryptocurrency's price to $8. In an extremely bullish scenario, APT's price may continue to rise to $10 as well. Investors and traders will want to take note of the mixed sentiment on APT's daily chart. On one hand, the MACD line was positioned bullishly above the MACD signal line at press time. Meanwhile, the daily RSI was below 45, which was a bearish sign. Nevertheless, the overall trend on APT's charts was bearish at press time. From a shorter-term time frame perspective, APT had been in a positive sequence over the past 24 hours, as it consistently printed higher lows on the 4-hour chart during this period. Subsequently, the altcoin's price may have the support needed to overcome the $5.40 barrier within the coming 24 hours, provided that this bullish momentum continues. On the other hand, if APT fails to close a 4-hour candle above $5.40 within the next 48 hours, then it may be at risk of continuing the long-term negative trend that had plagued its charts over the past few months. In this scenario, the altcoin's price may decline to the previously mentioned $3.20 support. BTC and ETH exchange supply drops while USDT's rises, report. Sentiment revealed in an X post yesterday that the exchange supply for BTC and ETH has continued to drop. Furthermore, the intelligence firm shared that more USDT has made its way onto exchanges. From a technical standpoint, both ETH and BTC broke out of falling wedge patterns that had formed on their daily charts. In an X post yesterday, the blockchain intelligence firm Sentiment revealed that the exchange supplies of both Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, have continued to drop. According to the post, this indicates that traders appear content with holding the two market leaders over the medium to long term. Notably, the exchange supply of Tether USDT, which is the largest stablecoin by market cap, has been increasing during the same time period. This increase in USDT's supply on exchanges is indicative of investors and traders preparing to purchase more cryptocurrency, which may result in prices in the market increasing. Sentiment added to their post by sharing that 24.1% of USDT's supply is currently on exchange platforms. This is the highest USDT exchange supply since March of this year. Meanwhile, 5.9% of BTC's supply and 8.5% of ETH's supply resides on exchange platforms. From a price perspective, CoinMarketCap indicated that ETH outperformed BTC in terms of price performance over the past 24 hours. During this time, the leading altcoin recorded a price increase of 0.35%, boosting ETH's price up to $1,639.42 at press time. BTC, on the other hand, suffered a 24-hour loss of 0.27%, which brought its price down to $26,554.89. From a technical standpoint, BTC's price had broken out of a falling wedge pattern that had formed on its daily chart throughout the past month. Furthermore, the market leader's price continued to trade above this bullish chart pattern at press time. If this bullishness continues, BTC's price may attempt to challenge the next barrier at $28,200 in the upcoming week. Conversely, increased profit-taking activity by traders could lead to BTC's price dropping below the immediate support at $26,000. Thereafter, continued sell pressure may push BTC's price down to $24,000. Similar to BTC, ETH's price also broke out of a falling wedge pattern that had formed on its daily chart. Subsequently, the altcoin's price could attempt to flip the resistance level at $1,690 into support, before potentially continuing to climb to the next threshold at $1,775. Conversely, if ETH's price corrects back within the falling wedge pattern, then it may be at risk of breaking below the $1,580 support level. Thereafter, a daily close below this key mark will put ETH's price at risk of dropping to $1,480. Disclaimer: the views and opinions, as well as all the information shared in this price analysis, are published in good faith. Readers must do their own research and due diligence. Any action taken by the reader is strictly at their own risk. Crypto Mash will not be held liable for any direct or indirect damage or loss.